In this video today, I would like to show you how to review the index in Sitecore CMS. The current version I'm using is 9.2. Basically, when you are working in the CM to update the content for the website. After you publish the content to the CD, but the new content does not appear in the CD, so maybe we have some trouble with the Sitecore index in the server. So you have to review the index manually to resolve the issue. In this video today, I will guide you step by step on how to review the index manually in Sitecore. Okay, let's get started. I set into the Sitecore CM. In the dashboard, I will click on the desktop icon in the control panel. It will open up another window. And on this window, you click on the Start button. It will open another context menu. You click on the control panel. It will open the control panel window. You take a look into the indexing section. And here, click on Indexing Manager Hyperlink. It will open up a new pop-up for the Indexing Manager. And here, you scroll it down to see some other information for the index statistics. Yeah, scroll it down, a lot of information here. And on the left-hand side, we have the review search index. Depending on how many index in your website, so this list will be longer by default. Because I have just installed a new instance of the Sitecore 9.2 on my Windows PC, so this is the default index for the Sitecore 9.2. Yeah, for example, so now I want to review the master index, web index. I will select the master and web index in the checkbox here. In case if you want to review everything for the index, you can select it all or even uncheck it all. Okay. And after you already select some the index you want to be reviewed, so click on review button. Depending on how many data or related item in the index, so it will take a short time or long time to review the index for you. And because here I don't have many items in the index, so it will take only 24 seconds for review the index. Okay, after you select this one, that means for now, we have just complete review the index manually. Okay, that's all. Just click on close button to close the index manager. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.